The Divi summer sale is now live, and that means we are doubling our best discount for a short time and giving you access to the best deal of the year so far on new Divi memberships and Divi lifetime upgrades. The Divi membership is already the best deal in WordPress, giving you access to the most popular WordPress theme in the world and the ultimate visual page builder with unlimited website usage. And with the Divi summer discount, it's a real steal. To get 20% off your new Divi membership, head over to elegantthemes.com/summer. To get 20% off your lifetime upgrade, head over to elegantthemes.com/lifetime. Once the sale ends, it won't be back again until next year, so don't miss your chance.